Good evening, ma'am. My name is Edna Manilla. I'm the reporter of Impact Database in Direct Marketing. The database is at the center of direct marketing planning. So dito daw po, siya raw yung center ng direct marketing planning. Direct marketing has four main purposes. One is to initiate relationship prospecting, to develop the relationship into a sales transaction, parang magbaband, conversion, parang pag-ibahiyuhin yung sales ay yung relationship pala. 3, maintain the relationship, loyalty building. Pag ano yun daw po, i-maintain or i-sustain yung relationship. 4, to resurrect a lapsed relationship, reactivation, or parang ibuhay muli yung mga natigil na mga relationship. The marketing database is essential for the efficient management of these tasks. Mahalaga daw po ito kasi it enables us to identify the right names for a particular communication. Para daw ma-identify yung right names for sa mga particular na mga pakikipagkomunikasyon. According to their potential value and their propensity to be interested in this offer. It tells us the right time to send it, even the right form of words to use based on our knowledge of the interest of the individual.